Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar salad with anchovies, easy method. Start by prepping raw main and saving anchovy oil for the dressing. I'll walk you through simple steps for a classic emulsion, tossing techniques, and timing so every bite is balanced. You will learn how to toast bread for croutons, finish with grated cheese, and adjust salt and acid to suit your taste. In this slide, I'll list the ingredients and why each matters, focusing on balance and simplicity. Keep measured ingredients nearby to streamline the process, especially when making the emulsion with egg yolks and oil. I'll explain substitutions and why anchovies are key for savory depth, not just salt. This keeps your salad flavorful and authentic while staying approachable for cooks at any skill level. Follow these steps slowly and confidently to avoid breaking the dressing and to preserve texture. Start with a stable base of yolks and acid, then add oil in a thin stream while whisking vigorously. Combine torn raw main and crispy croutons just before serving to retain crunch. Taste and adjust lemon or salt at the end for a bright, punchy finish that complements the anchovies without overpowering the salad.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.